I've got a surprise for you. Well, it's not really a surprise if you saw the title of the video. But anyway, here's a little brief story about me, in case you haven't been watching my other videos. Back in the beginning of this year, I bought myself a set of Bianco brush markers, which have been fantastic, and I was like, I'm gonna replace them one by one with Copic Ciao markers. When they run out, I'll just pick like the most similar color I can find to replace them, and I'll be good. And that's not what happened. I had a really bad day a couple days ago, and I got some bad news, and the rest of this month is going to be pretty rough for me emotionally. And my birthday's in August, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy the rest of the Copic Ciaos. So I did. So this is an unboxing video. I purchased the 36E set recently, and I've been using them, and they're a lot of fun. And I was like, oh, one by one over the next several months, I'll buy, the 36 sets, which is also not what happened, because I ended up buying all of the rest of them the other day. So now I have all of the Ciaos. Well, I'm about to, once I open these boxes. So I thought I would bring you along on my unboxing journey. I've never done one of these before, so yeah, let's just see how it goes. So box number one. Now I got these from the same seller. They were fulfilled by Amazon though, so I don't know if they were at different warehouses. I don't know why they're in completely different size boxes. But hey, as long as the markers are fine, who cares, right? So here we go. Yay, I'm really bad at this. I'm really bad at opening boxes. I'm ripping it all up. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. That's the good stuff. So I bought 2 sets. I'm not sure which set will be in this box, but we're about to find out. And it's got some of this air puff stuff, keeping it safe. Looks like we're intact. Good, good. And it's the 72B set. So, yeah, I bought a lot of markers. I bought a lot of markers. But I needed them. So this was a reasonable thing to do, when you're having a bad day. I spend a lot of money on my pets, so I figured markers. So anyway, look at how beautiful they are. Got all these colors. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, I figure I probably will swatch them out after this. Well, I'll definitely swatch them out. Just, I don't know if I'll record it for you guys to see, if you're even watching this. This is mostly just for me. And I spent an awful lot of money on these markers, and I'm just a hobbyist. Like, I'm not a professional artist. I just really enjoy markers. They're my favorite medium, and like I said, I was having a rough day, and it's not like I'm not going to use these, and I think of them as an investment, because these are refillable. So all my other markers, when they run out, they get chucked in the garbage and end up in a landfill. So I do think it's kind of funny that the last video that I posted was about like the cheap art supplies that I enjoy using, and then I bought like Copic markers for my next video, but don't worry about it. So this would be the A set then. So let's compare. So it looks like A has brighter colors, just, from the get-go. But oh man, am I so excited to swatch these. I guess I might as well open them up. Now I have to say, I wasn't a big fan of the packaging situation for the 36Es, and it looks about the same. Because like the little plastic nubbies at the bottom weren't long enough, and the markers kept falling, and I set them horizontally, and that's a problem. I liked the box that the Bianco markers that I just pointed to. You can't see them. They're on my desk full of garbage. I liked the box they came with because it had like a little stand in it, and like they stood up really nicely on their own, and they laid flat, and it was magnetic. So I mean, I'm obviously going to keep those markers. I'm going to use them until they run out, and then I'm probably going to recycle that case that they came in, because I'm pretty sure these guys fit in it. But yeah. So markers. I guess I'll go ahead and open them up the rest of the way so that you might see once they're freed from their prison here. But yeah, I figured, actually I'm having a hard time with this, so we might just cut away and put some swatches in once I have video editing software, which I don't have yet. But I figure I'm not going to post this video right away. I was just doing this for me. So, it's August 9th today, and you might be seeing this sometime in the future. So, woo. Oh my gosh. And Lily's here to help out. You can't see her. She's right there. She's supervising. Lily is my cat, for those of you that don't know me. She's a beautiful, perfect angel sent from the heavens. So, oh my gosh, this is really giving me a hard time. This is just plain embarrassing. Oh man, I'm so excited. I was more excited for the 72A set because it seems like it's got a lot of pinks and purples in shades that I really am excited about. When it comes, ooh, I opened it. We're free. When it comes to markers, pastel colors are my absolute favorites, and pastel purples are probably my #1 favorite. And there's about like 6 of them right there. So beautiful, my children. So yeah, let me open up the other one, and then I'll wrap this up so that, ooh, this one's, oh no, I was going to say this one's already torn. It'll be easier to open, but it was lies. So, I don't know, what else do people talk about in these? So my 36E set that I have, which is over here, this little guy. So now I have all of them. With this one, I have all of them together. If you buy the 2 sets of 72, you don't get every single one. You have to get that E to complete everything. Now I have everything. I've actually got a little bit extra because I bought the skin tone set first, and I really like those, so I was like, hey, I'll buy some more and then I'll slowly get, no, I have no impulse control. So here we are. Ooh, this one's got some lovely earth tones going on back here, some pretty blues. Oh man, they're gorgeous. I wonder if they're arranged. No, they wouldn't be. I was going to say, are they arranged like the 36 set on each side? That would be nice, but I really doubt that they are. Oh, man. So, yeah, we're free. My babies. Look at them. Look at them. Anyway, I bought these on Amazon this time. A couple months ago, looked on Amazon, and the prices were good, but they shipped internationally, and I was like, I'm not going to take that risk. What if there's a problem? But I saw them on Amazon available through Marker Pop, which is a site that I've purchased from independently before. I checked the price on Marker Pop because I was like, I'm going to support you guys, but they were a lot more expensive there, so I was like, sorry, Amazon it is. So, but fulfillment was by Amazon, so I felt like a little bit more comfortable. You know, when they ship internationally, you don't have as much protection from Amazon, and I thought, okay, you know, at least if it's fulfilled by Amazon, if there's a problem with it shipping, they got my back. So, thanks, Amazon. These ones I got from Jerry's Artorama, I don't know how to say that. My main man, Jerry, hooked me up. But, yeah, I was going to buy them there again, but again, they were more expensive. But I love Jerry's. I have nothing but good things to say. I bought Prismacolor markers there. I've been using markers for years, so I figured, like I said, this is an investment, even though I'm a hobbyist. So, anyway, Lily's scratching something, so I'm going to go ahead and switch and do my swatches, and if I have video editing software, I'll see you later.